friends, welcome. How are you today? Today I take you someplace beautiful. Look at this nature. Beautiful, beautiful. Weather is very nice. I make a lot of fire. So you will be thinking, what I'm gonna do here? Here I'm gonna do is, do you see these two metal box? This on this one. So I'm gonna put chicken over this. There's like, I have sticks out there, like nails over there. So I'm cleaning now. So I will be leaving chicken there and put this box over that, and we will stay like 1 or 2 hours, probably 2 hours. Will be like so tender and juicy and beautiful. So would you stay with me, enjoy watching end of the day, and I will tell you how the experience of this and everything. Thank you very much. Some people leave some dirt here, which is we will be cleaning end of the day. I will not leave this beautiful nature here. So by the way, these are the sand, like sand hills. This beautiful trees are growing up here. It's beautiful. Yes, my chicken's ready. Fire is there, and I will put some butter over it. So this butter will give like crispiness in the end, like will be like nice flavor and everything. So I will put butter, as you see. If I don't do this, probably like it will be not crispy or will be dry out everything. This will be like protecting chicken from getting dry. Now the chickens are going in. Ah, look at that. Yeah, these ones are, guys. You know what? End of the day, this will be so beautiful, red, crispy, juicy chicken. And I already have a rice, so which is I will be. Oh, look at this! Wow! Come on, ladies! Yahoo! Beautiful, nice. Okay, now I'm gonna covering this on top of it. Perfectly done. Now I will be putting more wood round, and I will make more fire, and you will see like this will be done like in 1 or 2 hours. I will like move the fire around, which is I don't want to get burned or anything. I want like juicy, tender chicken. So that's what it's gonna be. Thanks for watching. Yes, my aubergine, fresh aubergine, I'm gonna put over the fire. You see, guys, like I am just now grilling my red pepper and aubergine and green paprika. So which is, I'm making them ready. Soon I will check my chicken, how does it do. I give you a look. Moment of truth, guys. Now we're checking our chicken. That's it. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Look at this. Wow. I will leave it like this now because I want to have a little bit of smoked flavor over the chicken. So I will just leave it like sometime more. So let's see. This looks very beautiful. I can see like all the meats are laid down. So it's like well cooked, slow cooked, very juicy. I can see I don't lose much juice of these chickens. Wow. Look at this. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So as you see, guys, I just leave the fire a little bit over here, so I would just want to have a like smoked flavor stay over the chicken. And the chicken is well cooked now, so after I prepare all this, and I will show you how does it look inside and everything and the taste, but I can tell it's a well cooked, beautiful done chicken box. It's beautiful, beautiful, really nice. Check başladı. So guys, now I want to do a small test and tell you how it is. I'm taking it my bread, and then I want to take a piece of chicken, some meat, and then some chili pepper. I want some aubergine. Okay. And some paprika. Okay, does look good. I want to take a little bit more piece of chicken. Okay. Let's see how the taste is. Right. Thanks for watching, guys. Wow. Wow. All that flavor, all that smokiness and everything over that chicken. Well cooked, beautiful, very juicy and all. I'm gonna enjoy this. As I say, I'm sorry you cannot join, but if you like to try it, just do it home. Bye for now. Thank you.